What's up, fam? Happy Friday. I am excited. This is episode 3 this week. We don't do that very often unless something is special going on or got something fancy cooked up. Got a brand new release from the brand Perfumology. Stay tuned for more.
I finally found what I'm missing, and now you got all my attention. Driving me wild, got me wishing that you were all mine. You're irresistible, so refreshing. You're irresistible, tell the essence. I can feel your energy all over me. Close my eyes and I breathe in. You're irresistible.
Yes, indeed. I am so stoked that we had to do an extra episode. I had to get this out this week. I had to get this off of my chest and just turn you guys on this so you can go ahead and get your orders in and you'll get them next week. Laima is what I'm talking about. This is a beautiful fragrance that was named or inspired after Nirgai's grandmother's garden. A garden that was bountiful, full of fruits and flowers and vegetables. And after that hot summer day, it is the feeling of all that in the air after it's been watered in the morning and you have the sun going down or the sun just kind of going at ease and you're just relaxing and just smelling all those things coming in. This is a bright, well-rounded, just, oh man, it's relaxing. I've been wearing this thing to bed every night since I got this thing. But let me just tell you, that bright opening, this is a good fragrance. I am not kidding. Bright opening of citruses and mint is just absolutely insane how good this fragrance is. Okay, now a fragrance like this is definitely geared for summertime. A lot of summertime fragrances don't have that great of performance. I'm getting like 9.5, 10 hours on this. And I smelled a shirt that I had on the other night that I went to bed and I just wore it to bed, but I laid it on my dryer and I brought it back into my bedroom. As I was carrying it, I was like, wow, that stuff smells so good on the dry down. But literally, like for me, I have a stressful job. I am busy. I work 12 hours a day, sometimes 15 hours a day, not counting running a YouTube channel, raising a son. So yeah, when y'all see bags under my eyes or whatever, and y'all dropping down in the comments that I'm drunk or I'm high, no, it's called getting your hustle on. And so that's what it is, guys. If you see any circles around here, it's me getting my hustle on. And this is what I need to relax in the evenings. And this will, oh God, I'm gonna have to be careful. I have a massive dent in this thing because I just got it not too long ago and this got a significant dent in it. Okay, this is fragrance 4 for Perfumology. Nirgai and his perfumer, Justin Federico, following up after Bliss, which was made after made for Nirgai's wife. Then Clutch is like an afternoon driving in the fall. And then if you guys didn't see my review on Grange and my love affair I have with that, we would definitely leave a link down below so you can watch the review on Grange. Another great fragrance from Perfumology, but this one is going right there in the ranks with the other ones for me. They don't play around at Perfumology when they put something out. They always attach a story to it that I can relate to. When I heard the story about Clutch, before I even read the story or even knew about Perfumology or Nirgai, I had already had it set in my head what it was for me. And then when I read the story, I was like, seriously? Same thing with this. We busted our humps when we were kids, you know, working in the garden. We had all kinds of plants and stuff. We were constantly working. But there's a beautiful lake behind my parents' house, which you'll see in that Grange video if you watch it. But after we do our labors and everything, a lot of times we'd go for a swim or get a shower, but I'd go out there and get on a hammock and there's always a breeze blowing off of that lake. And that's what it is for us, is like We had the fruit trees out there. It's, I mean, almost identical to this story again that I can connect to. But the notes in this, it's unbelievable. Let me read them to you. The notes for Liima are lemon, orange, pomelo, peppermint, lemon verbena, tomato leaf, geranium, orris, neroli, lily, rose, ambrette, elemi, cardamom, amber, copaiba, cashmere, sandalwood, and white musk. As I said, this reminds me of a relaxing afternoon of a hard day's work, or for a near guy's grandmother out there watering all those plants first thing in the morning, a garden that was just big enough for his mom and dad to get married in. Those are just really nostalgic, just feelings, memories, everything that you're supposed to connect with fragrance. Perfumology is doing an amazing job of, well, for near guy, taking his own memories and being able to bring them to life for somebody else to relate to. Been wearing this to bed, been wearing it during the day. It's just an amazing, amazing fragrance. And did I mention I'm getting like 9.5, 10 hours of performance with this thing? Really? Get out of here. Citrus blast with mint in the opening, and then that dry down, it almost smells like, I don't even know how to explain it. You just gotta get your hands on this thing. It's amazing. That's all I got for you today. I just had to spill my guts about this amazing fragrance. Make sure you go to www.perfumology.com. They have got this as well as the rest of the Perfumology line, as well as a lot of other awesome brands. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Make sure that you're subscribed to Carolina Fragrance Reviews. If you're not, make sure you smash that like button. Leave us a comment down below. We'll see you next time on Carolina Fragrance Reviews.